everyone, I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with a new lesson, El Verbo Essere. If you want to learn how to use correctly essere in an Italian conversation, you will love this video. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then subscribe it for more helpful videos like this. Let's begin. Essere, to be. Essere, to be. I want you to think about essere as the general one that we use to translate to be in Italian, okay? Okay, let's see the examples. Our first example is io sono. When we use essere with io, the essere convert in sono. Io sono, I am. Io sono, I am. The next example is tu sei. When we use essere with you, we will convert essere into sei. Tu sei. You are, tu sei. Lui, lei. Lui, lei means he, she. Okay? Lui, he, lei, she. We will use e. The essere will convert into e. Noi siamo. When we will use essere with noi or we, then essere will convert into siamo. The next is voi siete. They also will convert essere into siete. Voi siete, you are. Voi, you. Siete, you are. Voi siete. Next one is loro. Loro means they, sono, are. We will convert essere into sono. If you like the video, then must subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Ciao.